Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Windows 10 USB bootable drive. Right now, Microsoft has released the latest Windows 11 25H2 version. The older version of Windows 10 ISO cannot be downloaded directly from the Microsoft website. To download Windows 10, first, you need to create an installation media. First, download the Windows 10 installation media software. Launch the software and wait for a few seconds. Here, select the second option, Create Installation Media. Then select the language, versions, and architecture, and click Next. Here, select the ISO option and choose a drive to save the ISO file. Now the ISO downloading has started. Please wait to finish the download process to finish. Maybe it will take up to 30 minutes or more. That depends on your internet connection speed and PC configuration. Also, you can directly create a bootable ISO from this. But maybe it won't work on an old PC that doesn't meet the minimum system requirements. So first, we download the ISO file and then create a bootable USB using Rufus software to skip the minimum system requirements error. The download process is successfully completed. You can write it into a DVD or can create a USB bootable. Here I create a USB bootable drive. Connect a USB of at least 8 GB of free space. Then open Rufus software and upload the Windows 10 ISO image, which is shown in this video now. If you are using a new PC or laptop with the latest hardware, then set the partition scheme to MBR and target system to BIOS or UEFI CSM. Click Start to create the bootable USB. Please wait until the process is completed. This may take between 10 and 30 minutes. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.